In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files and folders with OneDrive on Windows 11. Whether you're looking to keep your personal files readily accessible or ensure that your work documents are always up to date across multiple devices, OneDrive is a reliable and efficient tool at your disposal. So let's dive right in and get started with setting things up. First, let's locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. It's usually nestled within the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. The icon resembles a little cloud, and clicking on it will open up the OneDrive window. Once you've got that open, you'll see a range of options available to you. Next, we're going to navigate to the settings. Look for the gear icon. It's your typical settings symbol, and you can find it in the upper right corner of the OneDrive window you've just opened. Go ahead and click on that now. This will give you access to a variety of settings options. In the menu that pops up, you'll want to go ahead and select Settings. Clicking on it will open a new window that presents several tabs of settings from which to choose. We're interested in one tab in particular now, so let's move on. You're now going to locate and click on the Accounts tab. It's here that you'll manage which accounts are connected to your OneDrive, and more importantly for our task today, where you'll choose which files or folders will sync with your account. Click on that to proceed to the next step. Under the Accounts section, you'll see an option to select Choose Folders. Click on it, and a list of all the folders currently associated with your OneDrive will appear. Now it's decision time. You'll want to go through this list and check off any folders that you want to synchronize. This is an important step, so take your time to ensure you're selecting all the folders you need. Some people prefer to sync everything, while others might choose only specific folders for particular projects or needs. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click OK to confirm your choices. And that's it, your chosen folders are now set to sync, ensuring that all your important files are safely backed up and accessible from any device connected to your OneDrive account. Remember, syncing will automatically occur whenever you have an internet connection, so you don't have to worry about manually transferring files in the future. Just make sure that your device is connected to the internet and let OneDrive handle the rest. Enjoy having your data at your fingertips wherever you go. By following these straightforward steps, you're now set up to make the most of OneDrive's powerful syncing capabilities on your Windows 11 device. Happy syncing!